Hi everyone, welcome back to Kardon. Today we will show you how to tear down or disassemble the Xiaomi Mix 4 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the teardown, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the ceramic back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic upright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While you're opening, be gentle. The charging port flex is attached to the back cover. Undo 2 screws and apply heat to take out the flex from the back cover. Next, disconnect the flash sensor plug from the board and then undo 10 screws to remove the wireless pad with the board frame. It is notable that Mix 4 comes with 50-watt fast wireless charging support. Next, disconnect the battery plugs from the right hand and left hand sides. Next, disconnect the other half of the flash sensor plug and take out from the board. Next, disconnect and take out the charging port flex cable from the board. Mix 4 comes with 120-watt fast charging, which supports fully charge within 15 minutes. Next, to take out the logic board, first unplug 3 antenna heads and then disconnect both main ribbon flexes by moving the copper tape. Next, undo the screw and disconnect the sensor plug. Before pulling out the board, check for adhesives and connectors. Move aside and take out the logic board. Next, on the board, first disconnect and take out the 20 megapixel under display front camera. Next, disconnect the rear camera module with 108 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel telephoto and 13 megapixel ultra-wide lenses. First, disconnect the connector from the front side and then disconnect the other half from the rear side of the board. Make sure to move copper adhesive before disconnecting the plug. Take out the camera module and it looks like it is possible to separate cameras from the 3-in-1 unit. Next, take out the sensor flex and earpiece module from the body. Next, move to the bottom part and undo 6 screws to take out the speaker buzzer with cover. As per Xiaomi, Mix for sounds are tuned by Harmon Kardon. Next, peel the copper adhesive and take out both pin ribbon cables from the body. Next, disconnect the antenna board plug, Touch ID plug and LCD screen plug from the secondary board. Then gently pull out the secondary board by moving antennas. Next, pull out the antenna board on the left hand side by moving the antenna cable. Next, take out the vibrator motor from the body. And as visible, the Touch ID has integrated into the under display. There is no visible Touch ID camera in the body. Next, take out the battery by loosening the adhesives. Mix 4 battery comes with 4500 mAh capacity and supports power delivery 3 and quick charge 4. To remove the battery, first loosen the adhesive on both sides and then pull it by tabs. Be gentle and lift the battery. It looks like two batteries combined from inside, but it has two connector plugs that are leading to the main board. This concludes the teardown on Xiaomi Mix 4. Stay tuned for the reassembly process. Hope you have enjoyed the teardown on Xiaomi Mix 4. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.